guys, today I bought a new toy. You can probably see it. I can't, but it just arrived. Let me show you why I bought this toy. So, it was because this is my birthday and this is today. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 more days till my birthday. So I'm about to see it. And I guess it came with these guys, a little tiny Owen character right here and his ATV. Let me put them together. Now, we're gonna see it, and oh my God, it's an Indoraptor! Okay, let me bring it closer to you. Okay, let's see what this can do. This can move down, I think. Let's see it. Whoa! Whoa, did you see that? Well, usually this can turn. You can't turn this way. Whoa! Okay. Let's see what this guy can do. Like, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. It has some kind of signal on it. Ooh. Looks like you can put Owen here. But when you put Owen, it starts roaring. Looks like we're gonna turn it. It's coming to the camera. Owen just fell off. Okay, let's see how this reforms. So, let's turn it sideways for it to work. Right. Oh, it's going out of the camera. Oh, it's staying. Okay. So, obviously we have this ATV with a signal, but let's see if we can. Oh, there is a lower sound button. Let's see the medium sound. Okay, put it on medium sound, and obviously there is an off. Ooh! Let's see the walking. It's the same because it's the wheel. As you can see, it's a really cool toy. Wait, what's this? That's some kind of thing, right? What? Looks like Owen can ride on his motorcycle up on here, and then you can close it like this. Oh! Okay, come back. Okay. So we're gonna play around with it a little bit. See how it is. Wait. These are the arms. Can they move? Oh yeah, they can. I am the Indoraptor. Watch this. Okay, let's get Owen out of it. Oh. Oh, that was something. Okay, let's see what else this can do. I don't think it can do anything else. Yeah, I think that's all it can do. This little Owen figure can move its body and arms. As you can see it. I'm Owen. Oh, and there's like cool stuff like this, like if it's on the rampage. Wow, yeah. Okay, I think this is a pretty cool toy. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.